In this short video, I will walk you through an example of how to use the OnRamp to database function. HSO is installed locally on the customer premises and includes three functions: HSO Offloader, HSO Onloader, and HSO OnRamp. When installed and configured, HSO Offloader can be used to offload users or workspaces, and those exported copies are saved to the HSO file system. Then, the OnRamp function can be called to onload that previously offloaded data to either a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation or to a database. For this demo, I will be showing you the process for onloading previously offloaded Smartsheet data to a local database. The first step is to offload the target data from Smartsheet. Follow the offloader steps to complete that part of the process. In the HSO console, if I do a refresh in the file system window, you can see that I previously did an offload and I have exported users and workspaces listed. Now I can select the workspace containing the specific sheet that we wish to OnRamp to the database. For this demo, I will go ahead and select a workspace containing an example sheet. Note that the file system window shows multiple offload jobs, so be sure to select the appropriate offloaded job files for the OnRamp. Next, click the Generate Configuration button to generate the onload configuration file. You will now see that the Data to be Transferred pane has been updated to show the list of users and workspaces selected, and the three onload buttons are now visible. In our case, we are going to click on the OnRamp button to start the process. A new window pops up to help walk you through a four-step process consisting of Choose Service, Choose Sheet, Review and Map, and OnRamp. In the Choose Service step, we will expand the list and choose the Database option. Now we have the option to create a new database or to choose an existing database. Note that these databases are located in the Data subfolder in HSO. In our example, we will use an existing database called assets.db3. Next, we need to either create a new table in the database or select an existing table. For this demo, we will create a new table and give it a unique name, perhaps with a date stamp value. You will see that we also have the option to replace any existing data in the table or to append the new data to the existing data in the table. In our case, we have a new table, so we will leave the default selected and then click Continue. In the Choose Sheet window, we can now select the sheet that we want to OnRamp. Now we can click the Continue button. In the Review and Map window, we can review the source columns that will be imported to the database, and then click Continue. In the OnRamp window, we can review the summary information, and then we can click the Transform and Stage button to start the data transformation process. We should now see a green success confirmation notification, and a new message will appear. You can now click on the question mark button link to open a new SQLite viewer window showing the stage data. Note that we may need to close the current view and then open the database that we selected earlier to reload the data. We should now see a new table with a name that we used, and the table will contain all the imported rows from the source sheet. As you can see, this OnRamp to database function can be extremely impactful for Smartsheet administrators to use to address several use cases around offloading and importing Smartsheet data to a database. That concludes the OnRamp to database demonstration. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series, starting with the HSO Offloader video, the HSO Onload to Smartsheet video, and the HSO Onload to Other video if you have not seen those yet. Thanks for watching. Visit our website at hso.acuworkflow.com for more information.